Hey YouTube, here with another box break, actually my second one. This one will be the first live one actually. It's Superlative Franchise. Got it for a really good deal, so let's see what I can get. Box is 367 out of 1600. So that means it's something big. Alright, top card is and Nikolai Kulemin plus jersey, blue version. Second card, autograph, Pat Quinn, blue version as well. Another autograph of Grant Fuhr, blue version. Base, Sid Smith, blue border. Marcel Pronovost, gold version, 1 of 10. Sticker seems to be coming off on this one. Famous fabrics raised to the rafters, Born Salmi. Blue version, 4 of 9. And a trophy case, Dave Keon, Lady Bing trophy, all white, 8 of 9. So, a quick look at all these. Salmi, Pronovost, Smith, Kulemin, Pat Quinn, Grant Fuhr, and Dave Keon. So, hope you guys enjoyed the box break. I'll be back with another one via player signatures. Overall was okay, I guess, but can't expect much. Thanks.